If for whatever reason glasses keep slipping down your nose, this is the video for you. Quick and simple fix, less than a minute, it's done. You're going to need some ponytail elastics, as you can see here on the screen, or just plain simple rubber bands. Rubber bands are everywhere. If you work in an office, get them from your office store and do the following. So here we're using the ponytail elastic. Going to wrap it around the part that goes over your ear and just wrap one side around. Keep looping one side around over and over and over again. Now you don't have to put it on the part that goes down. As you complete this task and you put them on your face, if you find they're still slipping down a little bit, you can push them to around the bend. So you'll have a little bit of the ponytail elastic in this example on one side of the bend, some in the middle of the bend and some on the other. In this case, we've got it right on the bend and just going down just a tad, and that's one side done. Flip it over, flip the glasses over, grab another elastic, whether it's a ponytail elastic or an elastic from just plain rubber bands from your office supply, or things that mail comes wrapped in, or whatever. Doesn't matter if it's a thick one, thin one, it doesn't matter as long as it's an elastic band, as you can see there. What that does is it creates friction around your ears and stops the front of the glasses weight pulling them down. So there you see rubber bands on one, ponytail elastics on the other, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.